All right, everybody. Happy New Year. Today we are going to talk about building a network from nothing. I'm Laura Berman Forging, 5-time best-selling author, master credentialed coach, and TEDx speaker. How do you build a network from scratch? You've got to get out there. You need to be a joiner for a while. Join clubs around your interests. Go to professional industry events. Join professional groups. LinkedIn. Look for people who have the same job description as you or an industry that you share. There you can start tapping into people and saying, hey, would you be willing to talk about the state of the industry or whatever the case may be? Think about your alumni network. Who could you contact from an alumni list? Join religious and civic organizations if that's your thing, and be visible. Volunteering is also a great way to grow a network and meet people. Be on a committee, be on the board, do something that makes you integral, people witnessing your abilities. Everyone in your network may not be completely an ideal client or the person you need to network with to get a job, but everybody knows somebody, and this is how you start building a network. So networking isn't about who you know, it's about who knows you. So get out there and get people knowing you. See you next time. Bye.